All right, so I'm pretty sure that you're familiar with the concept called sales funnels. And if you've read the book by Russell Brunson, and let me actually go ahead and I'm not going to close this window because we're going to need it later. So I'm going to open up a new tab and let's search for .com secrets by Russell Brunson, right? And the reason why I'm showing you this is because I want you guys to go, guys and girls, to go ahead and read this, right? If you're watching me right now and you still have not yet read this book, you are completely missing out, right? So go ahead, please, I'm begging you, go ahead, read this book. It's going to change your life. Now, in the book, Russell Brunson, who is a very, very successful marketer, he's the founder of ClickFunnels. If you don't know what ClickFunnels is, basically it's a tool that allows you to create funnels in a matter of minutes, which was not possible prior to ClickFunnels. Normally, the only way that you could create ClickFunnels with is either using a CMS such as WordPress, or you could use Shopify, or maybe you could even use, well, Shopify is a CMS, but at the time I'm talking, when this software was first founded by Russell, it was very revolutionary. And you'll find that there are some other softwares that are also good for creating funnels. But the one I like best is ClickFunnels because it's so easy. I'm not promoting it. I'm just telling you that this guy is a genius. And in his book, The Underground Playbook for Growing Your Online Business, .com Secrets, he speaks about this called the Sainsfield email sequence. Now, let me just give you a quick example so that you can understand what I'm talking about here, because I know I'm talking in riddles and I want to be as clear as possible. Now, when somebody, let's say that you're walking on the streets and somebody comes up to you, tells you, hey, hello, please buy this. Normally or naturally, your answer is going to be, please, can you just walk away? Or I don't want to buy this, or why are you even bothering with me? Most people will not buy. Most people will be alienated. They will be like, why is this guy trying to sell me this thing? I mean, did I ask him to sell me this thing? Do I even know you? So a lot of questions you're going to be asking in your mind. And you're going to say, well, that guy was crazy. He was just trying to sell me like that. He's cold selling me this thing. But in reality, some people might buy, but it's just in most cases, people will not buy. So 99% of the times, people will just think that that guy is crazy and they'll just maybe insult him or just continue doing whatever they were doing before they were, assaulted by the guy. So this is what we call cold sales. In the past, people used to do this tactic and it worked perfectly. People used to knock on doors and they had merchandise and they used to tell you, hey, do you like this? Do you want to buy this? Do you want to buy this? But that is, those times are behind us. Nowadays, if you want to sell something to people, you need to build a relationship. Now, the reason why I'm ranting and I'm building up to something, it took me all this time to build up to what I'm about to say right now, is the best way in 2023 to build a relationship with people is to have them on a list and to send them emails. Yes, emails. But you can't just send them an email that says, hey, hello, buy this course. It's $900. No, you have to send them the first email that we call the warm-up email, which is an email that you're warming them up with. And you're basically at that email, what you're doing is you're checking to see which people are going to interact and click on your link. And of course, you're going to have to either use MailChimp or ConvertKit or Aweber, and you're going to have to track your numbers because it's important to know which people actually clicked on your emails. And you send them the next email, which is, to tell them a story, so it's a sequence of emails, maybe 4 to 5 emails. And then let's say the 5th or the 6th email is the email that you send them to tell them, now you need to buy this course because this and this and this, because I was like you and, so the shortest way to show you an example of this is I have this guy that I was, just trying to reverse engineer lately. It's a program called Chatbot or AI bots. And I'm gonna show it to you. Chase Rayner, right? This is a guy who's actually selling a course called Fortune Bots. And he's actually selling it for an extravagant price of $601. Now, I liked the concept of the course because I think it's a great course for people who would get it. But in my case, I wouldn't get it because I think it's so expensive. But let's go back to the first email that this guy has sent me, right? So the first email this guy has sent me is done for you. 2 things. Will you be joining class today? So now the reason why this guy, sent me this email at first is because I enrolled in his list from a YouTube promo that he used to promote one of his courses called Fortune Bots. So it's actually worth, I guess, about $600. And up until this moment, from the 30th of November 12, in just, I think, about a week or something, in about a week, this guy has actually sent me, 54 emails, and I still haven't yet purchased. So yeah, so 52. It's actually 52 emails. This guy sent me 52 emails, and he's still sending me emails every single day. He's sending me about 2 to 3 emails a day. So only in January the 2nd, he sent me 4 emails. Now, in each of these emails, this one, Affiliate AI makes you $10,000 per month. Make $5,000 a day with Affiliate AI bots. Your invite starts in 15 minutes. Price goes up tonight, final notice. So this guy has been trying to sell me this course for a very, very long time. And the reason why I'm showing you this is because this guy must have hired somebody to write 52 emails. Now, before, right now, he doesn't have to do this. He can go to Chat GPT and just write an email with Chat GPT. He can sell. I can go to Chat GPT right now, as a matter of fact, and I can say to it, "Hello, I want you to write very short emails and to also write the subject line. I want 10 emails and they should be very short and they should link to my Amazon affiliate marketing course." Okay, so my Amazon affiliate marketing course. What else? Okay, so Amazon affiliate marketing course. I need something else here. I need to throw something else. 10 emails. All right, so, okay. Now make sure, I'm going to give it another instruction. Make sure the emails are sequential because I want to send them over a period of 10 days. And please write them in a persuasive fashion because I need a lot of clicks. And let's just sit there in the background and wait for it to do this. First email, subject line, day 1. Boost your Amazon affiliate income with our course. Are you ready to take your Amazon affiliate income to the next level? Our comprehensive course can do just that. So it just wrote me a very short email. Here's another email, subject line, day 2. Learn from the experts with our affiliate marketing course. Now, it's going to write the third email now, right? Subject line, day 3. 10 chapters of valuable Amazon affiliate knowledge. Are you tired of trying to navigate the world of Amazon affiliate marketing on your own? So it's going to keep writing until it writes 10 emails, right? So it's just, there's no limit to the creativity of this AI. So right now we are at subject line, day number 6. All right, so there was an error here. It stopped at day number 7. So I'm going to tell it, I'm going to regenerate response because it's going to do everything from the beginning right now, right? So everything from the beginning. Email number 1, because it just stopped at email number 7, and I don't want it to stop at that. So if you get the idea here, right now you can write an entire email sequence for the next year, right? You don't ever have to hire somebody to do it for you. Now, these things that I'm talking about here, people used to do them for an extravagant price. There are people that were selling this for a lot. Now, this, I think the people that are going to suffer the most from ChatGPT are copywriters, but only if these copywriters do not adapt with ChatGPT, because you can use it instead of being its enemy. Now, like myself, I have adapted, or I have embraced ChatGPT ever since it came. Because as a creator, I don't want to write my YouTube descriptions every time. I don't want to write my emails every time. I want something that could just do that for me, right? I want something to write me promotional emails. I want something to write me emails about something. So I want something to write me blog posts. That something right now is ChatGPT, and it's doing it for free. It's doing it for free. So next, I'm going to show you how, as a coder, now I'm not a professional coder myself. I know some basic HTML and CSS, but I can show you how you can use ChatGPT to generate code.